Studio. So left your cursor on the table layout definition. When you go back here, it will automatically choose that table layout for you. And what we want to do is we want to we want to undo this, so it's not going to expand the whole width. And after that, we can center it, or we can change the margin. So let's push it down a little bit so it's separate from the text. That'll work. So that, and let's separate each of the items in here a little bit. So we separate it to the right. So 10 same for all of them. So okay, so now is the it looks decent. It looks okay. Let's save that. Control S, and let's go back. One more thing we do is we want to change the text that's shown here. So by default, the text view, it will just show text view as the name of it, or as the text of it. You can change this by some variable. So let's call it thing1. So because we have 3 things, so this thing 2 and thing 3, and if you look at this, this is what we want to make: thing 1, thing 2, thing 3, and then the counts with the value. So that. Now if you save this, it will give you error because they don't understand the value that you just put in. They don't understand the value at string 1/thing1. This variable will be defined in this file, string.xml, in the resource file value folder, or actually resource folder value folder. So let's define it again. String name thing1. Let's copy that. Change a little bit for thing 2, thing 2, thing 3, and thing 3, and we're done. Now we come back here. The error is gone. No error. So if we take a look at the graphical layout, we will see that they automatically changed to the variable that we just entered. So it's pretty cool. This is how you call the variable in this file for your layout, for your XML. And for the buttons, for now they just call the text for these buttons. We can change that to let's name it count. And the last one is right here. And same error because we haven't defined it yet. So let's go ahead and do it. Name is equal to count, and then just do count 0. And now if we go back to the graphical layout, this is exactly what we want at the start. So count 0, count 0, count 0. Okay, once we finish with the layout, we can go in here and start to code this. So if you look back at our node, the observer will access the controller and the view. So we need to have the model, to copy the model in here. So let's go ahead and create this model, and we also need to create the buttons. Shift 3 and then Control Shift O, and it will import the buttons first. Pretty neat. And this will be observer. So here's how we make it to be observers. We will implement the interface observer, and also on click listen. Okay, then we hit Control Shift O. Pick this one and add unimplemented methods. Okay, it will automatically add the onClick and update method first. So onClick is the method required by this interface. OnClick listener, and update is the method required by the observer's interface. So in here, let's hook these 3 buttons into the layout that we create, because for now this is button. When you click on them, there's nothing happening. So the way you do that is we'll define them. Actually, it will be here's how you do it. Define view by ID button ones. What I just did is another neat feature by Android. You can find the names. Pretty much tell you what it does. It will find the view by the ID, and the ID is the one that you created in your layout. And here's how you assign, or how you create an ID. You use this symbol add plus ID slash the variable name you want. And once you done this, the R file, which is the one that automatically generated by Android, it will store that ID for you. So here we have button 1, 2, and 3. So you see add ID button 1 and 2 and 3, and if you look in here, there they are. So it will automatically reference to it. So when you type R dot, and then Eclipse will help you find it to dot again, and it will list all the ID that are available to us. So this is button number 2, button 3, and then on the button 3 we have button 3. Okay, very nice. Now let's make them react to the click event. So the way we do is we will set onClick listener to be this class. So when this view is clicked, it will in turn call this onClick method of this class to handle that event. Button 3 dot set onClick listener. So that's it for the onCreate method. Actually, we need to create a model. So model will be equal to new model. That's the constructor of model. And let's move on to the onClick.